for our 3.1 notes, we're going to be discussing what it means to divide and the different vocabulary words that can help us understand what we are doing. So a dividend is the number you are dividing. We can often think of it as the total. It's the main piece that we're going to be cutting up. And then the divisor, on the other hand, is the number you are dividing by. So it is, I like to think of it as the pieces that you're putting them into, or the groups that you are putting them into. So make sure you are writing these down and pausing as you need to. So if you're looking at that in a division problem, the dividend is going to go here. So I always like to think of it as the den, right? It's going in this den. And then the divisor goes on the outside. It's what we're cutting it into. So this is what we have. This is what we're dividing it by. The quotient is the answer to a division problem. And then our remainder is the leftover pieces that don't fit into a whole group of something. So when we're trying to decide what is the divisor and what is the dividend, I always like to think, what am I starting with? What am I cutting it into? So let's take a look at this problem here. Janice is cutting ribbon for a present. She has 7/8 foot of ribbon and she needs pieces that are 3/8 foot each. How many pieces can she cut? So I always like to think, what do I have? What is the total? So if I come back and I look, she has 7/8 foot. That's what she is starting with. So our dividend is 7/8. And the divisor, what do they need? What are the pieces? What are the groups they're trying to put it in? They need pieces that are 3/8. So you can see these keywords here helping us locate these. So make sure you have underlined our keywords that are helping us locate our dividend and our divisor. So as we're doing that, we always put our dividend first. So 7/8. And then we're going to divide that by 3/8. 7/8 divided by 3/8. So let's take a second and draw that out. So let's go ahead and just draw this ribbon here. So we have 1/8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And these are each an eighth. 1/8. So go ahead and make sure you're drawing this with me. So each of these is representing 1/8 of a ribbon, and together we have 7/8 of them. And then they're going to cut them into 3/8 pieces. So here's a group of 3/8. Here's a group of 3/8, and then I don't have enough to do the rest of it. So she can cut 2 pieces is my quotient, and my remainder is going to be that she has 1/8 of a piece of the ribbon left over. So let's look at one other problem here to solve this one. Suyin is making a dog house. She needs boards that are 2/9 yards long. She has a board that is 5/9 yards long. How many pieces can she cut the board into? So I always want to start and ask myself, what do I have? So I'm going to look for that information here. What do I have? She has, right? She has a board that is 5/9. That is what I am starting with, 5/9. What do I need? What am I cutting that into? The groups, she needs 2/9. So a common mistake I see a lot is that everybody just wants to take the first number and divide it by the second number they read, but that's not what the problem was telling us. It told us that she has a board that's 5/9. She needs 2/9. So we're going to draw that picture out. So we're taking our board, and here's 1/9, and I need to get to 5/9. Here's 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, and 5/9 here. And then I need to cut it into pieces that are 2/9. So here's a 2/9. Here's a 2/9. So she can cut 2 boards. And then I don't have enough to cut another full board. I will have 1/9 of a board left over. So we always have to start with what do we have and divide it by the pieces that we need.